The Chetco Bar Fire is now more than 100,000 acres. Thanks for joining us. I'm Brian Morton. The Red Cross is giving people near the Chetco Bar Fire a place to get some food, shelter, and a place to sleep. News Watch 2's Emma Balkenbush joins us now on the phone. She's in Gold Beach, where the Red Cross is stationed right now. Emma, when did the Red Cross get into town to help with those evacuations?
The Red Cross, Brian, actually got into town about Friday, August 18th. That's just about 6 days ago. They actually started in Brookings at the Brookings Harbor High School. After that, they had to move pretty quickly, just about 40 minutes up the highway to Gold Beach. That was because fire crews in the area really wanted to put some space in between them and the firefight that was going on.